Today's hike with us is Randy Camero. Randy Camero, ano yung kuhan ko, no? Sa YouTube, Randy Camero. There is my dad and Ronville channel. So guys, we went back down because we can pass through here to Mount Austin Road, but it's a long way. So what we opted is we're gonna pass here on the left side of the road going up. We're not Lugard Road, but the other side, the left side. So this is where we are going now. Oh, it's Harlech Road. So this is our view that we'll see when we are passing through here. That's the Pukfulam Dam again, and on the upper right, that's Lama Island, and somewhere here that's Pukfulam, and behind behind this mountain right here, that's the Aberdeen. Yeah, Aberdeen. So this is our view from this side. So we're gonna walk around this mountain and go up to the next hill. So they call this the morning trail. So maybe it's an easy trail here, but we're going up to High West to have a 360 view of Hong Kong. Good luck to us. So reaching the park, there's a sign. There's a sign can direct us to High West, which is this side going there. So they said it's 650 meters from here and half-hour hike. It should be easy, I think. And the other side is going to Pinewood Battery. So I don't know, maybe this is where we pass if we're just gonna go around the hill, because we want to go to High West, then we're gonna go to that side. We need to turn left. And this is the park they have here. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. So heading to High West now. That's where the High West will be. Oh, sorry. So we're going down there. And there's a signage that High West should be here. So let's see how it goes. Hello. Going there. So we're gonna pass here. So we will be passing here on the left side to go up. And as usual, guys, we got some stairs again. Let's go. As usual, guys, stairs again. And I'm back with the panting mode, but still it should be nice up. Wow. Up there and there. Let's go.
Kaya?
Pahinga muna. So guys, the same thing what I've mentioned from the last video. If you're tired, take a break, take a rest, and once you're ready, we go up again. But we can rest, but don't stop. Don't quit, yeah?
Guys, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share.
There you go.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're in the vlog. You're in the vlog. It's there, guys.
Especially good.
So, guys, almost reaching to the top. On your right, you will see the Kowloon side. Woo. This is Shongwan Central. Very nice view, huh? What can you say? Over there, you can see the bridge that's going to the airport. Include also this bridge. On our left, we can see Lama Island, the whole thing. It's a good place for hiking as well, guys. FYI, I haven't tried hiking there, but my friends told me it's a very nice place for hiking. So that's Pukfulam Reservoir. Very clear from up here. Very nice. And yes, there you go. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Randy Camaro, all good?
Camaro, all good. Surviving.
Oh, very good. Fighter, also a fighter. Oh guys, FYI, the four of us are all tennis coaches. So as of the moment we're all jobless right now. So, yeah. Woohoo! Look at the view. Man.
Let's go into the airport area, guys.
And the first guy who reached the top again, my dad. Here. My mom is on the phone to my dad right now.
Okay.
So guys, we came from there. That's where High West is located, and we passed through from the side and exit here. We passed through Camellia Garden. So going down, we exited that way. So guys, time check, it's, oh man, it's already 2:32. Oh, we stayed there for maybe for for 30 minutes. Not bad, but you know, that's how it goes. So right now we're going down to Pukfulam Reservoir, and we're gonna exit maybe maybe near the near HKU. Let's see. I don't know where where we're going out, but we're heading to Pukfulam Reservoir. See you later. Our vlogging setup today is the same thing as the last one. A6500 with 18105F4. For me, I think this is the best vlogging setup that we can use because it has wide. I think it is wide enough for vlogging setup, and you can zoom in. But the autofocus is not as fast on the A9. But this should be enough for run and gun.